So this is a message for someone that randomly finds themselves in positions of comforting other people, even indirectly. I'm going to elaborate on that. But you attract people that need to be comforted, people that need to be understood, people that need someone to talk to, people that need someone to listen to them, especially strangers. Spirit was very, very clear when I got this download, especially strangers in quotations. You are that person. And this is what Spirit showed me, that you are a resting place for the lost souls, both the dead and those that are alive. So if you are already resonating with this message, I want you to tap in and listen, because I was showed that some of you do this without even being fully aware, because you do this through the kind of art that you are embodying. You could be a musician, you could be a drawing artist, you could be, what is it called, when people are like kind of singing, but then it's a poem, something like that. I've been seeing that in my mind's eye as well. Whatever you are doing, whatever art that you are embodying, it is bringing so much peace to so many people. Like if you go and watch that movie where it's a current 2025 movie, I think I will just leave the title in the comment section, because every time I'm trying to remember something, it just goes off my mind. I don't know if it's part of, this breastfeeding thing, but it's happening to me a lot. But the thing is, there is that movie where these demons were attracted to this guy who knew how to sing it. He had a talent. He played this instrument with all his, might. That is the kind of person that you are. It could be something to do with just your voice, the way you speak. People want to listen to you speak. Like I said, the most important thing that I heard Spirit say was, you are a resting place for the lost souls, both alive and dead. And then I've been showed that for so many of you, you have been attracting so many energies that have passed on, both good and bad. It depends on your vibration. But then the thing is, when they come to you, even what people call the demons, they rest, they listen, they feel okay, they feel understood, they feel comforted, they feel home. They feel like we finally have a soul out here that understands us. Doesn't mean that you are out there preaching demonic things or singing demonic things, but there is something about your aura that is so calming that you can calm both evil and Holy Spirit. Let me put it like that. Everything that comes to you finds its own balance when it's around you. I've been seeing in my mind's eye that someone is seated somewhere, and then around them there is so many other energies in different forms, just seated and comfortable. That is what is happening around you on a daily basis, especially when you are grounding your energy, especially when you are in that bathroom singing your songs in whatever way, with whatever voice that you have. Especially when you are just out there minding your own business, there is something so calming about you. I've been showed that there is so many souls that passed on that were lost in this, universe, in this frequency, and they were trying to find a way home. But then when they found you, they found home. But then it's also not so good, because I've also been shown that some of them need to really be sent off, like in a good way. They needed someone to help them move on. But then when they got to you, they got stuck with you because they felt like they never wanted to let go because of what you embody. The peace, the patience, the calm, the attitude, the gratitude. It's like Both the dead and the alive find solace in you. I don't know, I'm getting that song. It's a gospel song where they say, silence the words of in my mind, Lord. I want to hear you. And I feel like this is also something to do with you going into meditation, and then when you are in that state and you are quiet, every energy around you is listening to your breath, is listening to your silence. And also I'm also being shown that there is people out there that are praying that the thoughts in their minds could get quiet so that they can hear what Spirit is saying. And every time they pray such a prayer, they get to meet you. They get to have a message from you. And these messages or this music or whatever it is in your reality, some of it's just your presence. It silences everything, just like they had prayed. So I think the main important thing that Spirit showed me is that, number one, it's not a coincidence that you are in that position. It's no coincidence. It's not like a mistake that you are that you are a resting place, Zion. I named my son Zion because of that. You are Zion, a place where everyone wants to go even after they have died. You are that energy. So there is no mistake. So Spirit is telling me that you should continue making peace with yourself, because it's not about making peace with the world, other people. It's about making peace with yourself, making peace with your insecurities, with your traumas, with the demons that you have. Make peace within. And so, because whatever you are, it is who you are, and you cannot change that. This is who you have been, most of you, since you were a child. People used to come to you even when you were going through your own hard, crazy times. You always had these good things to say to someone and make them feel better. This is who you are. Even when you are in the darkest corner, you always bring light in someone's life, because that is what you truly are. You truly are divine. And I was being shown that you don't allow yourself to be in situations and start cursing and throwing stones at everyone and blaming everyone. You have mastered the art of learning from situations so that you also teach others, or so that you can also guide others. I'm seeing someone that is guiding others based on their own experiences, because they let themselves learn from the experiences. That is who you truly are. And I always say you are a master teacher, because you mastered the art of learning from the situations that you go through in your life. And through that, you have been a very, very, very good guide to all the other souls, both the dead and the alive. You are so in control of your own life. And if you have been asking yourself, what's my purpose? You already found your purpose and you are already living it. There is no doubt. So, continue being. I'm not gonna add on anything like being love or what. Just continue being. I know sometimes it's hard. Sometimes it's crazy, because you also need someone to talk to or someone to confide in. But then you find yourself being the one that needs to comfort others instead, especially in the hardest times where you need someone. You need to know that that's no mistake. You are strong. Strength is a gift. It's not for everyone. Some people try to be strong, but for you, you don't need to try. It's effortless because of what you have gone through in life. But the most important thing that I'm grateful for you is that you are grateful. Because I've been hearing that you are a very grateful soul. You are grateful for the experiences, both bad and good. You are grateful for the traumas, for the everything. And that is why you are such a resting place for everyone else. People that are here in the physical, your ancestors, whoever passed on. Some of them, when they're passing on, are being shown this. Hopefully, people are still listening. Some of them, when they're passing on, it's like they already know where they want to land. They want to land in your presence. Some of you people in your family, when they pass on, they come to you first and pass on a message and maybe make you dream. This is because of that you are. Zion, a resting place. And I'm going to say that you are amazing. You are really, truly amazing. This is from the bottom of my heart. Continue finding peace within as well. Continue resting as well. Because this is what reflects what you are giving to the rest of everyone. Whatever these people are receiving from you, it's because it is happening within you. You are at peace. You are at peace. No matter what happens, it's not that you are not shaken. It's not that you don't cry. It's not that you don't go through the pain. But for some reason, you are always at peace with yourself, with the universe, with what is. So I'm truly proud of you personally, and I'm sure your spirit team is also proud of you. And I'm sure, there is so much coming in for you. There is so much abundance, happiness, joy, fulfillment because of that you are. I'm sending you so much love. May the Most High Mother and Father continue guiding you in the most positive ways, because you deserve that. Leave a comment if this felt a certain way to you, or whatever. Just leave a comment. I love you.